I had to book a last minute stay here at the TownePlace Suites by Marriott, and I'm going to show you my room and take you along. I absolutely love this hotel and love its proximity to the parks, so let's go take a look. The TownePlace Suites does have a complimentary shuttle. All you have to do is talk to somebody at the desk and they'll help you get all signed up for it. When you walk into this hotel, you will see Disney theming everywhere. And I love that you feel like you're immersed, even though you're not in an actual Disney hotel. They have grills and a barbecue area, an arcade, and a very lovely pool. I love this. I just love the proximity to the Disney parks and the offerings that they have here, from free breakfast to a very nice large pool and wonderful rooms. Complimentary breakfast is offered 7 days a week, and hopefully this will help out with the budget. You get that free complimentary meal before you head to the park, and that saves you a little bit from buying breakfast in the park for everybody. My favorite part of this breakfast are the waffles. And look, they even have Mickey waffles. Now we have to figure out how to make them Mickey churro waffles. Whether you're trying to just grab something quick to go and head straight to the parks, or if you're looking for a nice, just warm, sit-down breakfast, this is your place. I think they have something for everybody. All right, here we are walking into our room. They have a small refrigerator, microwave, stovetop, trash can, silverware. So nice. Let's see. What do we have in here? Closet. More closet space. And here's the room. Very nice. Very spacious. 2 queens. This is the view. Oh, it's raining. Fireworks would be right over the top of that building, and the Spring Hill Suite is right across the way. And this is what the room looks like. I like the little couch, workspace. Again, very spacious. And here we are. Bathroom. I always love when the outside sink is separated from the toilet and the shower. So very spacious, very nice, very clean. And that's our other little closet that went to the other one. So this is what it looks like here at the Town Hill Springs. I don't know where I am. Anyways, I'll put it on the screen. Y'all will know where I am.